Yeah, pleasant good afternoon to one all present here. I am Dr. M. Rajasenadivedi, Head of the Department of CT, NGM College, Pollachi. So today we will see one of the emerging field in IT, big data. What is big data? What is the definition? Why we are moving to the new technology, big data. So in this topic, so we will start with what is data, what is structured, unstructured data, followed by definition, then three waves, why we move to this kind of technology. Then what is the fourth V in big data architecture, data types, and how this is related to distributing computing. So this is the main topic today. So talking about data, we're talking about that we start with the definition of computer. So I think all of you know electronic data processing machine is called a computer. So the data is the raw information goes input to the computer. So the very important component is data. Talking about data, there are two types. One thing is structured and unstructured data. So structured, we start with traditional flat files, then DBMS concept, then move on to client-server technology. That's why we are used for backend to store the data. Then talking about unstructured data, so data are in the forms of pictures, videos, audio, sensors, social media, even every snapshot that is in the form of camera. So everything is stored in an unstructured manner. It means there is no boundary, there is no fixed size, there is no prototype. So that's why the big problem in IT industry now face, it is coming under the category unstructured data. So how this kind of unstructured data produce the huge challenges in IT field. So for that we move on to new hardware technologies. Again, we like to store in a bulk manner. So for that we can go for a huge storage. The new protocols are introduced network. So this is one of the challenges. Again, coming to the download part. So we move on to new computing model, virtualization model, then what is cloud computing, the corresponding technologies. So based on everything, the main aim is to reduction the cost of this big data. So next slide. So why unstructured data are hit to the IT industry, otherwise how these data are stored in your online server. So this is in the various forms. So each and every second, maybe data from Facebook, social media like Twitter, maybe for banking sector, the Visa card, the custom information, then coming to online purchase, the information about Amazon, the product, customers, then talking about Netflix, new movies, new audio, video, everything is hid each and every second. So this produces huge data in our storage part. So that's why big data, the term is used in our IT industry. So next slide. So this slide produce what is the main data is added in every second. See, for example, 12 terabytes is added in Facebook in the form of new pictures, audios, videos in every second. Okay. While talking about medical field, the data is like sensors, maybe automated sensors, maybe a ECG, maybe a blood sugar level, maybe your burning fat, whatever things. This is live, this is connected live manner. So this also data is added. Then coming to your home security system, so keep on store our videos in a live manner. So this kind of maybe while talking about RFID, maybe we used in our vehicle. So this kind of data is added. So this produce a huge bulk data in our server part. So this produce a big data. Next slide. So coming to the definition, so there is no proper definition for big data. So anyhow, any technology, it satisfies three views. That is called capture, storage, search, sharing, transfer, analysis, and visualization. So based on this idea, so any technology, any platform satisfy three views. That is called volume, velocity, variety. So how much data is stored in our server area, in the sense maybe internet or maybe your backend. Then velocity, how this data is processed. Then variety, that is various types of data. So this 3V, any platform satisfy, we call it as big data. So this is one of the definition while talking about big data. So anyhow, the topmost, that is in the red color, any kind of data source contains 3 characters, that is 3 V's, large volumes, high velocity, wide variety. So this is called definition of big data. So this is my first introduction part. Then we move on to the big data architecture in our next class. Thank you.